Good afternoon. First of all, can you introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Fine Welsh name. My name is Aled Miles, and I'm very proud to be the chair for, I think, the second time, maybe even the third, of Wales Tech Week. I have two other roles. Again, the most relevant one for Wales is I have the honour of being the Welsh Government Envoy to the United States, and my day job, if you will, that makes me money, is I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Intellistack, and we're proudly sponsoring, or one of the lead sponsors of the event.
Obviously, you've been talking about AI then. Really, what other innovation and trends should we be talking about?
Business orchestration, automated technologies. I mean, it has a bit of AI in it, but of course everything does. Cybersecurity, absolutely critical. Skills development, generational gaps, and then gaps that may emerge in society. Thinking about the benefit of technology for good, which of course is one of the themes of the conference.
You're based in California.
I am.
So, sitting in California and looking back at Wales, what should we be doing here to capitalise on AI?
Look, one of the fundamental problems, and I think it's not just a Welsh problem, it's a UK problem, is that capital inflows and the availability of capital is dramatically different in the United States and of course particularly in California. In other words, there's a lot of investment money looking for solutions. And so somehow we have got to get money that is not just London-based or California-based, chasing technology and solutions that are here in order to bolster the system, if you will.
If you were talking to a young person, what piece of advice would you give them about developing their career in the tech sector or in other sectors with technical skills?
I mean, number one, tech is cool, right? And number two, it's not for geeks or men. We need a lot more women in tech. There are so many roles in technology that aren't about coding, from marketing to sales, as well as the obvious product and engineering. So have a broader view of what's possible in tech. And tech, of course, fuels the world, so it's a great career. Secondly, the programming language of the future is English. It's not hieroglyphics. It's not C++. It's not Java. So much of what's being written today is low or no code. And so your ability to create is in your hands much more through generative AI and the tools like Cursor, for example, that just were not here 2 years ago. So when people fear coding, those days are changing dramatically. So it's much more accessible as a career than it was. And I think third is think of the impact that you can make. And I say that because for me, what drives people really is purpose, is feeling that you have purpose. And when you're creating technology that has purpose, it's just incredibly rewarding. So accessibility, breadth of thinking about tech, and getting some purpose.